Meaning of Eminent Victorians.
Eminent Victorians.
Eminent Victorians.
Eminent Victorians.
Eminent Victorians. Eminent Victorians is a book by Lytton Strachey, first published in 1918. The book consists of biographical essays of 4 prominent figures from the Victorian era: Cardinal Manning, Florence Nightingale, Thomas Arnold, and General Gordon. However, instead of portraying these individuals as heroic figures, Strachey presents a critical and satirical view of their lives, exposing their flaws and challenging the myths surrounding them. The book had a significant impact on the genre of biography and helped to usher in a new era of more candid and less hagiographic writing about historical figures.